I never planned to retire when I did. I thought I'd have more time to prepare. But suddenly I was out, and the bills just didn't stop. I tried to find ways in order to make money online, but everything felt too technical or way too overwhelming. Then I discovered a 2-hour digital system that was made for people like us. It gives me 100% profit, no recruiting necessary, and runs with just a few simple steps. Now I have more freedom, more peace of mind, and most importantly, money coming in, without having to work a 9 to 5. If you're retired or just overworked and tired of struggling, I'm opening up 3 mentorship spots for people like you who want to get ahead in life and actually work to financial freedom. Put ready in the comments and I'll send you all the details.